First morning, Bighorn Outfitters up in Wyoming in the Bighorn Mountains. Love this place. We got pretty good weather. Rut's pretty much finished up. We're hunting big bulls. These guys kill some giants up here. When I used to guide for these guys back in the good old days, I killed a 378 bull with my bow here. So this is kind of a return to the scene of the crime. Hopefully we can kill a big one. Got my good buddy Travis here from Washington. He had a lot of points. I said it's worth it. So we got him on the gun. And I get to hunt. I've actually got a tag, so that's pretty exciting. Let's see if we can pick up this front here. As the sun comes up, it's gonna light that up. Hopefully we can find a big bull.
I met Mike Deming about 2 years ago, won a hunt. Everything kind of came together for me. And I ended up booking with Bighorn Outfitters in north central Wyoming, and you know, proof's in the pudding. It worked out great. So
yeah.
Oh yeah. And he's big, he's old. Well, we were here last night, same exact spot, and we saw this big bull. This morning we just got to see him, had the phone scope up on him. Great bull, definitely what we're looking for. I mean, he's still 1.25 miles away, but he's on us. He's going to take a nap. We're going to put him on the moving truck, send him back to Washington.
Right down over the Mahogany Ridge towards that yellow grass, there's a water tank right in the bottom.
Okay, that's where he was headed last night.
Yeah, it's a solar well.
I just felt totally at home, where, you know, I was a little bit, I guess, nervous about what I was getting into, and I've just been having the time of my life. I couldn't speak more highly of them, and the whole experience was just awesome.
So, figured the best play to try to make sure we get one big bull down, and I let Travis be the shooter. I decided I'm going to be the spotter. It puts in a position where we can, I can tell them where they come out at and give them signals, let them know where they're at. So we'll get it done. It's going to be a long afternoon.
It's at 6:35, so legal shooting light 7:05.
I got on my Zeiss spotter here and was watching it, and I saw the bull tip over, and then saw heard the report of the rifle. Great day here at Bighorn Outfitters. Rich Sweeney, Dustin DeCrew run about the best operation I've ever seen of anything, and these guys got it all. They've got antelope, whitetail, mule deer, big elk, and spring turkey as well. So great place. Let's go get this bull, get our hands on him. Congrats, brother.
That worked out pretty good.
Yes, it did.
Where did I say he was coming out? I told him right up that sliver, and that's right where they came out. Look at, he broke his 7th off. Oh my God, look at that whale tail.
I'm just on overload. Just super blessed to be able to come do this kind of stuff, and with these kind of guys, and kill big bulls. I mean, what more can you ask for?
Way up in there. Well, here we are, day 2, back up on our lookout spot here, Bighorn Outfitters out of Buffalo, Wyoming. Well, this is kind of where you come. This is the deal. You spot the mountains as they get lit up and try to find a big one. We did yesterday. Bull followed the script. Travis followed the script. Zach, Rich, man, everybody did a great job. Killed a giant bull yesterday. We got a great place to hunt here, so hopefully the day continues to keep doing what we're doing. So we saw a bull, we had just pulled up. We were waiting for this big herd so we could get out here a little bit later. They weren't where we could get to them. Lo and behold, we pulled up and Rich spotted this bull. Split second, timing was good. We hauled butt in the truck to get up here and get set up, and now we're just hoping that the call we made was right. And he'll feed out here. We're set up and weigh anywhere from 250 to 500, which is well within my range. We'll just hope that we made the right play. Well, what a great trip here with Bighorn Outfitters, Rich Sweeney, Dustin DeCrew, and their entire team. You know what? I love coming up here. We give this trip away for 2 whitetails, and every 6 or 7 years you can draw an elk tag up here. So, hey, we had a great time. Travis killed a phenomenal bull. He's one of our pro members, and he had called me saying, where do I burn my points? With 20 years experience in the industry, knowing where to burn those points that are valuable. You know what, he was able to tip over a great bull, 365, one of his biggest bulls ever. We had a great time together. Come here as friends, and we're leaving as family. Thanks for joining us on this episode. We'll see you next time.